Do you want to clear the UPSC Prelims 2023 for sure? Then watch the video till its end. Study Regime and its team have brought a unique and one of its kind solution. 80 days Prelims comprehensive program for you, with the main motto of making the exam clear and releasing your burden. In this program, you will get following things. First, personal mentorship. Second, 200 plus hours of classes for GS syllabus coverage. Third, focused strategic topics for the art of solving questions of each strategic topic in the class itself. Fifth, strategic coverage of current affairs. Sixth, CSAT. 7, test series of GS, current affairs and CSAT. 8, make you revise the whole syllabus of GS, current affairs and CSAT. 9, last minute revision classes of all. Again, GS, current affairs and CSAT. The revision classes that we have included in the course is first time ever in the month. And last, support of your mentor till 28th May. Log on to www.studyregime.com or download the app. This course will start from 27th Feb 2023 in online mode. First 100 students additional 33% discount. One course, multi revisions, get selected.